Hey, I'm going to tell you how to make a very easy Sunday breakfast recipe, which is a chicken and mayo sandwich. Now for that, we have some boiled chicken breast over here, which we have shredded. We are going to put it in a bowl. अगर आपके पास कोई leftover chicken है, कोई chicken tikka, any kind of chicken that you have can go into this sandwich. We are going to take some mayonnaise in it. And we are going to season simply with salt and pepper. If you want, you can add more flavors to this mayonnaise, like add some spicy sauce, add some achar ka tel, anything. We're just gonna give it a good mix. This is good to go. Now we are going to take some sliced bread, जिसके क्रस्ट हमने हटाए हुए हैं. आज हम यहाँ पे ब्राउन ब्रेड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट आप वाइट ब्रेड, मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड, एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्रेड आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to take this chicken mixture. Put it in the center. You have to make sure that the filling of any sandwich that you make should not be wet. अगर वो गीला होगा, it can moisten up your bread and it can break your sandwich while you're grilling it or something. And when you grill it, it could even affect the crispiness. So after I put some chicken here, I want to put some more black pepper. And if it's freshly crushed, that would have a nicer flavor than a powder that you get in the market. At this point, if you want to add any herbs like chili flakes, oregano, absolutely anything that you have or that you enjoy, you can put it in. Now, I'm going to cover it. Press it a bit. Make sure that none of the filling comes out from the sides. And now, let's grill our sandwiches. I have a hot grill pan here. You should use butter because that's what gives the nice crispiness and the beautiful flavor. In case you want to use olive oil, you can do that too. I'm just going to spread this butter around my pan. At this point, you can even add some freshly chopped garlic to your butter. That would also give a very beautiful flavor. If you want, you can add some herbs here as well, but I think garlic is just perfect with the butter. Let it get melted, get fried up a bit. Spread it all around the pan. गार्लिक यहाँ पे ऐड करना ऑप्शनल है. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है तो आप उसको अवॉइड भी कर सकते हैं. ना ओवर दिस बटर हम अपने सैंडविच को रखेंगे. हल्का सा प्रेस करिए. वी वांट दैट द सैंडविच शुड बी नाइस एंड क्रिस्पी. जब तक ये क्रिस्पीनेस नहीं आएगा, वी विल नॉट स्विच द साइड्स. And if you want it to be very nice and rich, something that chefs in restaurants use is they take some mayonnaise, mix it up with some milk, and they brush it on these bread slices. That also gives a nice crust. But I think right now butter would be just enough. Let's check the side. Now look at this beautiful crust. ये golden है, brown है, crispy है. इसमें से garlic और butter का बहुत ही अच्छा aroma आ रहा है. This is the perfect color that we need for our sandwich. हम इसको हल्का सा और प्रेस करते हैं और इसको हम फ्लिप कर देते हैं. Now it is up to you कि आपको ये ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी वाला सैंडविच पसंद है, हल्का क्रिस्पी, और if you don't want to grill it at all, that is totally your choice. And now I am going to enjoy my Sunday breakfast with these beautiful sandwiches.
Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Today we're going to make a double layer chicken sandwich. Double layered chicken sandwich is a very versatile thing. You can have it anytime you like. Serve it for tea, serve it for snacks, even have it as a light lunch or tiffin में भी दे सकते हैं. Best part is that it is so easy to make and you're going to love it. Let's start. The first thing we're going to do is make the filling for our sandwich. The filling contains chicken, zucchini, onions and garlic. So let's start with putting a bit of oil into the pan and heating it up. Now some onions. उसके बाद some zucchini, finely diced. अब थोड़ा सा चिकन. And finally some garlic. इसको अच्छे से कुक कर लीजिएगा और जब चिकन पक जाए, take it off the fire and let it cool for a little while. इसमें हम अभी कोई सीजनिंग नहीं डालेंगे. This will be the base of our sandwich. तो इसके कूल होने के बाद we'll take it off the fire, mix it with some other stuff and the seasoning there, and then we'll put it in our sandwich. So don't worry, it'll have flavor. There, that's all the time it takes, just a few minutes. All right, our chicken is done now. अब इसको थोड़ा साइड में रखते हैं, इसको ठंडा होने दीजिए. And in the meantime, let's make an omelette. Our chicken and zucchini and garlic and onion mixture is cooled by now. We'll mix it with some other spices and mayonnaise and all of that. इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे some corn. This is the same corn that you get in the market. It is frozen. इसको हमने थोड़े पानी में डाल के defrost कर दिया है. These are nice and juicy, somewhat sweet, and they add a little burst of flavor in anything you put them into. अगला हम डालेंगे इसमें पुदीना. I just love पुदीना. देखने से ही fresh लगता है, and when you taste it, it adds this burst of freshness to every bite. Just love it. And now a little bit of salt. And now into this we're going to put some mayonnaise. You can choose any kind of thing you want. For example, अगर आप चाहें तो इसमें hung curd भी डाल सकते हैं. I'm choosing mayonnaise. It's simple for now and I don't have any hung curd at the moment. But you can definitely try it. It'll be even lesser calorie and it might be even tastier. Give it a shot. Tell me how it turns out. Now we got to mix it nicely so every bit of this mixture is bound together. It should not fall off the sandwich. Our omelette is ready, our tomatoes are ready, bread is there, cheese is there, and the main hero, the chicken filling. Let's start assembling our sandwiches now. So first of all, we'll take 3 slices of bread. अच्छा, अब इस पर हम डालेंगे our chicken mixture. And now we'll cover that with this. अब इसके ऊपर डालेंगे 1 slice cheese. If you want, you can put any cheese you like. इसके बाद डालें some tomatoes on this. The purpose of the cheese is to protect the bread from both sides from the juice of the tomato. अगर आप अपने टमाटर थोड़े पतले काटें, then you can actually layer them one on top of the other like this and the sandwich will still be quite manageable. And we'll put a bit of pepper on this. And we'll put this lovely omelette on top of that. If you don't like mustard, you can use anything else you want. Personally, I love mustard. जितना ज़्यादा strong, उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा. अब इसका जो chicken वाला हिस्सा है, that is actually the top of the sandwich. So now we're going to take this whole sandwich and turn it over and put it like this. All right, now remember when you're cutting this, you need to be a little careful and use a sharp knife. नहीं तो कट करते करते आपका सैंडविच बन जाएगा सैंडविच अंडा और चिकन की भुर्जी. And that was our double-layered chicken sandwich. It's a very versatile thing. You can pack it with as many nutrients as you want. Children are just going to love it. Add it in their tiffin and they'll love you forever. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any more ideas for the fillings, please do share it with me.